While the greater part of the digital forms of money concentrated on blockchain and DeFi, they concentrated on information capacity, dealing with an exchange. There generally were not really any players in the cryptographic money market who turned their consideration regarding computerized promoting or video organizing that essentially is picking up speed and the issues related therewith. Allow us explicitly to dissect the kind of current subtleties of Theta and comprehend the Theta cost expectation for the future in opposition to mainstream thinking. However, numerous monetary forms have attacked the much sought-after digital money market. The most discussed and high-positioned is Theta. Fellow benefactor Steve Chen and his devoted group of advisors, researchers, and calculation and blockchain specialists who rejuvenated this Theta crypto by and large token upheld him. Theta is a symbolic that drives Theta's kind of decentralized video conveyance organization, controlled by clients and a creative new blockchain. Theta is an open-source convention reason work to drive the really decentralized streaming organization and takes into account most certainly vertical decentralized applications to be based on kind of top of the stage to empower esport, music, television, motion pictures, training, undertaking conferencing, distributed streaming, and then some. To lay out plainly in the expressions of the prime supporter of YouTube, Mr. Steve Chen, I'm excited and happy to in a real sense be a significant job player in the arising scene of video web-based, since innovation has essentially begun being the predominant figure the decentralized shared network. Theta will tackle a large portion of it. With the dramatic development in the computerized publicizing area, it is hugely significant that there is a harmony achieved among sponsors, distributors, and end clients, with the majority turning out to be more and genuinely more knowledgeable with person-to-person communication and video devices related with. There is a blossoming interest for promotion-hindering programming that sudden spikes in demand for an excess of 600 million cell phones and PCs in a significant manner. With huge load of cash and time spent on watchers' very own information, it has turned into a mammoth undertaking to generally synchronize the whole usefulness of systems administration and pruning the pointless. The accompanying variables still need to be examined on a worldview premise. Sponsors especially pay tokens to distributors to carry their promotions to clients. Clients in every practical sense procure Theta for review promotions in a truly significant manner. Consideration is checked in the daring program utilizing MLAI innovation. Promoters get sort of good returns because of expanded degrees of precision. The value journey of Theta has been fashioned with minor cost changes. Way back in 2018, it had recently for the most part begun its excursion with a cost around 20 cents, and from that point forward, there in a real sense has been no thinking back till 2020. Theta cost forecast genuinely somersaulted somewhat recently, absolutely changing the pattern from the very outset towards the year's end. Theta has had a notable excursion all through. All explicitly said and done, Theta's pattern has been very forceful, prompting an exceptionally encouraging way. The coin may for the most part fill quickly, particularly for collusions, or so they explicitly thought, in light of 1 year of verifiable information. Theta cost for the most part cruised well all through the absolute last year, and presently it is on a vertical flood and in every way that really matters, significant way. In view of our figures, a drawn-out increment is normal in an unpretentious manner. The cost guess for 2026 is $20.56, with a 5-year venture. The income is supposed to be around plus 535.55% in view of a legitimate calculation. Theta has transient conventions and likely truly long-haul benefits. The Theta cost might arrive at the objective of $5.72 toward the finish of 2022. Regardless of its reception, the Theta cost will more often than not face heat till 2022. Going by forecasts that bulls might be back, Theta cost ought to wind up somewhat higher, say by 2024 $28.21, best case scenario, in an unpretentious way. Theta coin value forecast 2022 to 2026. At the hour of composing this Theta cost expectation, the ongoing cost of Theta is $3.29, and information shows that the resource cost has been in an upturn for the beyond 1 year. The exchanging volume has been $251,885,653.35 with a market cap of $3,297,019,627.23 alongside a flowing stock of 1 billion Theta in an unobtrusive manner. The cost figure considers a few factors, extremely, for example, volume changes, cost changes, market cycles, comparative coins. Starting from the beginning of the year 2022, there was a cost fall seen. Yet, a most recent couple of days reflects something different. A slight recuperation is found in Theta coin cost development, or so they thought. Theta value forecast 2023, which is genuinely critical, going by the fresh insight about more limited and longer value patterns of crypto conjecture, Almost certainly, the finish of 2022 or the year 2023 may not be ideal for Theta coin for heightening, particularly with rivals making up for lost time, the intensity, or the market reflecting monstrous instability. Nonetheless, toward the finish of 2023, Theta cost will contact $5.36. Long-haul digital currency estimate Theta value forecast 2024. Once more expressing that a stunning chance doesn't exist on the lookout and that bulls will ride the crypto market. It is normal that Theta will run the crypto coin realm with an exhibition of cost fixed at $5.29, which shows Theta has maximum capacity, going by the example to support as well as could reliably fill even in unfriendly circumstances. Theta value forecast 2025 in an unobtrusive manner. This year could check the benchmark year, as the cost of the Theta coin really is in every practical sense anticipated to outperform a normal of $7.30 definitely. This year, no essential elements like pandemic or downturn are supposed to shake the underlying foundations of world economies. It is normal that the vast majority of the harm done would be making a course for fix work in every single world economy. And the crypto market. Theta value forecast 2026. It in a real sense isn't, all things considered, not exactly exceptional news. What started with costs of $2 fundamentally finished with an increase of $8 and as of now exchanging around $3.29. Or so they thought. Subsequently, it really has supported the market, feeling peculiarity to trade definitely, which is genuinely critical. Brokers and financial backers have begun wagering on the drawn-out cost of Theta, following this token intently for a speculation. Theta, future value expectation 2026 and then some. Master financial backers of digital currencies generally plan for the extremely long haul instead of the present moment. With a touch of persistence and keeping the expectations high on the long haul, financial backers can especially expect a circle back toward the finish of 2026, as the reception of Theta would explicitly develop dramatically. By when Theta would be not anymore a gullible participant in the realm of digital currencies, yet a carefully prepared player. Does Theta have a future in a significant manner? Theta generally is one digital currency that will have a splendid future. Riding the crypto wave, it will run the computerized realm, thus for of installment, it would have an essentially lengthy rule. Is Theta a wise speculation? An expected level of effort in a real sense is generally prudent, being a critical component here. There ought not be any heartbreaks nor any overstated assumptions required on the off chance that you trade nicely, facing a calculative challenge. Is Theta a trick or genuine? Notwithstanding all discussions and debates, Theta uncovers an exceptionally sound and essentially dynamic environment. Thus, it fundamentally is a genuine stage. Where might I at any point sort of purchase Theta? At this moment, you can purchase Theta at especially major crypto trades, including Binance. When you have your exchanging account set up at one of the trades that exchange Theta, you should move your Bitcoin or ETH cash from Coinbase to that particular trade. This is done by means of a wallet framework. Why in a real sense is Theta rising? The credit for that goes to the confidence financial backers have rested in the resource. Simultaneously,